Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to seamlessly open Canva links generated by ChatGPT. When ChatGPT provides a Canva link, your first step is simply to click on it. This action will automatically direct you to the Canva website in your default web browser. For the best experience and full functionality, it is highly recommended that you have an active Canva account. This ensures you can access and utilize all the features of the design. Once the Canva link opens, you will usually find yourself on a page displaying the design. Often, this is a view-only version or a template. To begin making your own modifications, look for a button that says Use Template or Make a Copy. Clicking this will create a brand new, editable version of the design directly within your personal Canva account. This ensures you can customize it without affecting the original template. Occasionally, you might encounter a link that doesn't open as expected. If clicking doesn't work, simply copy the entire link from ChatGPT and paste it directly into your browser's address bar. Also, ensure your web browser is up to date, as older versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. A stable internet connection is crucial for Canva to load properly. If all else fails, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies for a fresh start. To maintain a smooth workflow, always remember to save your edited designs within Canva. They are typically saved automatically, but a manual check is good practice. When collaborating, share your designs directly from Canva using its built-in sharing options, which offer more control and security. Always be mindful of the link's origin. Ensure it comes from a trusted source like ChatGPT before clicking. This helps protect your information and ensures a secure design experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.